Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to walk you through cleaning the Blackstone Griddle. I just finished making chicken fajitas and I used a liquid marinade and it made a complete mess of the griddle. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I clean it. This might be a good example of how you go about it. The first thing I'm going to do, since I stopped cooking a few minutes ago, is I'm actually going to turn the grill back on and get some heat going. I can see the grill heating up and some of the sizzling here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the scraper and just start lightly scraping. I'm not gonna dig into it and mess up the seasoning. I'm just gonna do lightly scraping. So I'm first gonna do it with the scraper and then I'll go ahead and put some water on here as well. I'm not too concerned about using the water because the heat will dissipate. There won't be any moisture between the heat dissipating the water and some paper towels. There won't be any moisture left on this griddle. So one thing I recommend is having a lot of paper towels on hand. I think one of the knocks with the Blackstone is people complain about the cleaning. However, I much rather do this than wash dishes or any other washing pots and pans. This is going to be done in a few minutes and it'll be as good as new again. So I seem to have gotten most of the gunk up. I'm going to go ahead and grab a paper towel, see what else I can get up. Push it all towards the back here. And as you could probably see, the grill is looking a lot better than it did a few minutes ago, which is nice. Just gonna use a little bit more water and some paper towels and we are almost done. So you might be able to see there's some water droplets here, but I am going to go ahead and get the rest of that up with some paper towels and I'm going to go ahead and season it. Put down some oil and I will show you the finished product. All right guys, I got most of it done. I'm going to go ahead and cut the heat, let it cool down and put some light avocado oil and finish it. Stick with me, I'm going to show you how it looks in a minute. So while the griddle is cooling down, I'm going to go ahead and swap out the trash here. I'll link to these in the description should you be interested, but definitely keep a bunch of these on hand. So now that the griddle has cooled off, I'm just gonna take one more paper towel. Get up any last little bits of stuff. Corners, push back here. I use avocado oil. Now I'm just gonna put a thin layer to season the griddle. I usually squirt a little bit in each corner. Have a couple of paper towels. Just kind of work my way back and forth. As you can see, this grill looks a lot better than it did a few minutes ago. What I also like to do is make sure I get the sides, tops here. So as you can see, the grill looks a lot better than it did, like I said, a few minutes ago. After I season it, I'll go ahead and put the silicone mat back on. What I like about this mat is it covers the sides. And there you have it. If you're interested in purchasing a mat like this, I have some links in the description should you be interested. And I will go ahead and see you in the next video.